In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find broken links on Semrush. If you've ever wondered which backlinks are pointing to pages on your site that no longer exist or return errors, Semrush makes this easy to surface. We'll start right from the homepage and move directly into the report that highlights broken backlinks, so you can prioritize fixes and recover lost link equity. Begin on your Semrush homepage. This is your central hub, and it's where all the tools you'll use are grouped in the left-hand navigation. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct workspace or project so the data you see reflects the site you're analyzing. Next, look to the sidebar and click on SEO. This expands the full SEO toolkit. The SEO section is where Semrush houses its site and link intelligence, and it's the quickest route to the backlink analysis features we need today. Opening this section gives you access to research, auditing, and monitoring tools, all organized for quick navigation. Now, head toward the bottom of the SEO tools list and select Backlink Audit. This is the report designed to evaluate your backlink profile and call out issues, including links pointing to pages that return errors like 404 or 500. Inside Backlink Audit, Semrush maps the links referring to your site and connects them with the status of your target pages. In practical terms, this is where you'll find whether valuable links are effectively broken because the destination no longer loads correctly. In the free demo version, you'll see the structure of the report, but won't be able to open individual link details. That's expected. With a full subscription, this same view shows the link level data you're looking for, including the referring pages, anchors, and the target URLs on your site, alongside status indicators. When you have full access, pay close attention to sections that highlight target page errors and any indicators of broken or lost backlinks. A broken backlink typically points to a page returning a 4xx or 5px status. Those are the opportunities to reclaim value by restoring the page, redirecting it to a relevant resource, or updating the link on the referring site if you have that relationship. A couple of quick tips as you work. If your project is new, allow time for crawling so the data can populate thoroughly. And remember, the goal here is prioritization. Identify the highest value links that are currently landing on error pages and address those first for the biggest impact. That's it. From the homepage into SEO and down to backlink audit, everything you need to pinpoint broken backlinks in Semrush.